Hey babes, welcome back to J Beauty. My name is Jackie. Today I will be doing a look inspired by the Mexico flag, celebrating Mexico's Independence Day on the 16th. Espero les guste y ¡Viva México! Hey babes, so here I will be showing you guys how I achieved my Mexico look. I will be using two different kind of palettes. I will be using the Daisy Market palette. I will be using Cocoa, Caramel, Cha-Ching, and Icy for the colors, which is white, green, and reds. I've had this other palette for a while now, and it's like surviving on me. It's called the Santee Makeup Palette. It's seriously very, very old. It's like falling apart and broken. I'll be using same colors, green, white, red, and I'll just be playing around with both of the colors just to make them brighter, or I'll just be playing with both palettes. But please keep watching. So we're gonna go ahead with the Daisy Market palette, Caramel for the red, and then we're gonna go in with the green one from my other palette. And we're gonna throw it at the end of my eye. With all of my looks, I always like making my colors at the end with like a wing, if that makes sense. So when I apply my eyeliner, it goes with the eyeliner. And now we're gonna add some concealer for the white, just so it pops out a little bit more. And now we're gonna go in with Icy from Daisy Market's palette, and we're gonna set it. And now we're gonna go with Cha-Ching, the darker green, to make it darker at the end for the green. And we're really just going over the colors to blend them in. And with any other brush, just a clean brush to blend it in. I know it looks funny right now because we just have the outline, but let's keep playing with the colors. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna highlight our under eyes. The reason why I'm doing this already is because I want to apply the colors underneath my eyes. So I am using my Pro Concealers from LA Girl. And the lighter shade Light over my medium beige base. And we're gonna set it with my hair spun. While that's setting, I'm gonna go ahead with my other eye. With this kind of colors, I always like starting with one eye and then my other eye, just in case I mess up on this eye. I don't have to go back and just take everything off. So now that I know that I like how it looks, I have something to guide me with. So same thing, we're gonna pack the colors. And then the green one from my other palette. And I'm gonna go in with Cha-Ching, the darker green from Daisy's palette to go over the green one to make it darker. And then with the concealer for the white one. The reason why I'm using a concealer for the white one is so it pops out a little bit more. At first, any look that you do, it will look scary. The process is scary, but once you're all done, you look hella fine.
Hello, cutie pie.
And then I'm gonna go in with my Icy from Daisy's palette, throwing it on top of the concealer. Same thing to the other eye. And I'm going in with the green one as well again. Honestly, you gotta play with the colors. Play with the look you wanna go with. And then again with a clean brush, go over and just blend everything together. Same thing, I'm gonna go back with my Pro Concealer, medium beige. And on top of that, I'm gonna go with my other LA concealer, shade light. Just a little bit, just so it's not too dark. That's why I like mixing these two. And then I'm gonna set it. Dust the powder off. And go in with my darker green from Daisy's palette for the underneath of my eye. And then the white one, Icy, and the white one from my other palette. Get my brush a little wet for my under eye because I don't want to add concealer on the bottom of my eye with the white. That's a little trick I do for a brighter color. I wet my brush with my setting spray, this one. And now I'm gonna use we're gonna try a new eyeliner. We're gonna go with Hank and Henry. I got this on my BoxyCharm. It's my first time using this eyeliner, of course. And I really like it. Like, the tip is just so nice and sharp. Yeah, I would do my eyeliner so much that it's just so easy for me to like just go in and do it. Then when I used to put like tape at the end, practice makes perfection. Always remember that. Or fake it till you make it. But I'm not faking it. I've practiced enough to not use tape at the end of my eyes for my eyeliner. But if it helps you, hey, whatever helps you. We're gonna use some mascara because of the colors we use. It's like all over. I also got this mascara from my BoxyCharm. It's the Tarte Big Eagle. I love the color. It's cute. I don't like pink. Like, something about me is that I don't like pink. I don't know why, but it's a cool packaging. So just a little bit, so the color comes off a little bit. And we're gonna curl them. today I am gonna wear the Velux Lashes Kiss. I am so excited to try these on. It's my first time ordering two as well, so we will see. I love the packaging, it's so nice. And just by looking at them, they already look amazing. My kiss glue. So I am applying my glue on my lashes. We're gonna wait till the glue gets tacky again. Little shout out to my girl Melissa for the bomb eyelashes. I feel like I'm gonna love them. So here we go. Ooh, they were right on. Like literally. Oh, I like these. They feel really comfortable. And then I always like going over my lashes with my eyeliner. And let's not forget our eyeliner underneath her eyelids. Oh, I love these. They are so nice. Well, babes, this is the final result. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. And don't forget, always stay beautiful.